this is Will Bowen with today's Jumpstart. So, who are your gurus? Now, before you get hung up on the word guru, guru simply means teacher. Who is your teacher and who is your coach? You know, it seems like everybody's a coach nowadays. And yet there's a lot of really good coaches out there. And sometimes we need coaches. We need somebody to hold us on target and keep us on task. A couple of years ago, I made a decision absolutely that I wanted to be in amazing shape. I used to look at the Charles Atlas ads on the back of the comics, and I wanted to look like that. And so I thought to myself, well, who do I know that looks like that? And I had a friend 20-something years ago who was Mr. North Carolina and is still in great shape. His name is John Gallardi. And John began to coach me over the phone and over the internet. And he's my fitness mentor. And then I wanted to focus on my prosperity, and I thought, well, who is the queen of prosperity? Edwene Gaines. She wrote the 4 Spiritual Laws of Prosperity. So I asked her, and she agreed. And then I wanted to focus more on being able to attract and to manifest things in my life and to learn to control my mind. And so I wanted to get a mentor in that department, and I reached out to Joe Vitale, the author of The Attractor Factor and the star of The Secret. Now, you may think to yourself, well, of course, you're Will Bowen, you can do this. Well, these people, in most cases, really didn't know me very well, except for John Gallardi. It just shows me that there are people out there who are willing to take you under their wing and help them. I'm mentoring a couple of people right now myself. Why? Because they simply came up and asked me. So, what do you aspire to do, to be, to become, to have? Who already is there? And pick up the phone today and call that person. I was scared to death when I called these people and asked them, and it was amazing to me how willing they are to help. Let somebody else help you. It makes them feel good as well. Who are your mentors? Who are your gurus? You can find me on the web at willbowen.com. Enjoy today.